mystery bundle of fabric. Hello. It's almost too big to actually see over. Look at the size of it. Hello wonderful people on the internet. Today we are unboxing a mystery box of fabric. Box being the loose word because it seems to have come in a bag. Now this bundle came from I Want Fabrics. I found it on Etsy, not gifted, just bought it myself. It promises to have 20 pieces of fabric in it of at least 1 meter each. So far, reviews have been 5-star, but we'll see. For those of you that are new here, hi, my name's Philly. We talk about all things creative and crafty here. So like, subscribe, add some comments down below, do all the amazing things. So there were a couple of different options online with this bundle. You could get normal fabric, you could get upholstery fabric. I think you could get stretch fabric as well, but I just went for a normal mystery bundle. It says on the thing, I'll link it all down below, but it says about like how you can get different types, so you can get PVC in there, some upholstery fabrics, all sorts. So it's just like a literal mix. Now I know that I did do a D-stash, but the point is with the D-stash was to get rid of everything so that I could then buy everything. That probably wasn't the reason for the D-stash, but hey, if you haven't checked it out yet, then go have a look back at that video. I've literally cut open a little hole and it's already looking like a lot. Oh, that one's a bit stretchy. Shall we, the picture was a box, by the way. I was expecting a box, and I'm also worried about cutting the fabric as I open it. So, lots of upholstery fabric. Okay. Fine. Oh, there is a lot of fabric. £18. This is a lot, and this also looks like more than 1 meter of everything, doesn't it? Oh my word! Right, let's try and get it out. This is a lot for £18, right? Is it usable? Oh, it's like, is it okay? I love that it doesn't even fit in frame. So far, beautifully packaged. The fact that it's all folded up nicely and everything is great. Quilted wadding, batting, going to be fantastic for, oh, it's got grey. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go through them one at a time, and then we'll have like a little assess afterwards. So first one, there's this wadding, batting stuff. It's got grey on the inside, but I'm really hesitant to open it up. This will be perfect for the inside. Oh, actually, quilted jacket maybe, quilted vest. Another felted option. This is backed. That'd be quite nice for inside a quilt, wouldn't it? More felted backed fabric. I wonder what people do with this orange. Is it just all upholstery stuff? Blue. I'm thinking this is just an upholstery bundle, even though I didn't select upholstery. Oh, it's got a feel to it as well. This one is, can you see the texture of it? It's really got a feel to it. White batting, more white batting. Do you call it batting or wadding? It's really flat. It's like felt, so batting, right? Some black PVC, some beige suede PVC stuff, brown PVC, grey felt, grey, not sure what this is, canvas style, Not gonna lie, at least 50% of this is gonna be resold. Curtain fabrics and canvas, more PVC. I thought it was white batting, but it's orange on the inside. Do we not have one of those already? We've got orange turned inside out. So that one in more. Blue suede, purple PVC. Oh, a velvety purple, black felted. This feels like a sort of microfiber. Ooh, this one's pretty. This one is like a velour, but battered as well. It's all upholstery fabric. I'm unimpressed. So, positives. This is a lot of fabric for £18. Negatives, wasn't what I ordered. We'll give it to them that I lied. There wasn't a upholstery box option. There was a velvet box option. And I didn't go for that one because I didn't want velvet. But they do sell other fabrics. I'm just going to read out the description of what was supposed to be in this box. Our brand new mystery scrap boxes are full to the brim of various types of fabric. Each box is unique and contains different fabrics. This may include velvet, cotton, linen, faux leather, lining, batting, PVC and more. I mean, yes. It's a mystery box, so therefore you get what you choose, right? Or you get what you're given rather than get what you choose. And this is a lot of fabric, and I imagine like the velvet and stuff is probably really expensive per metre. However, what am I supposed to do with all of this? I was really excited that I was going to be able to find some fabrics for some dress projects that I've got coming up. Disappointed. I think what I'm most annoyed about is the fact that I was going to buy a bundle of Pound Fabrics instead, and I didn't. I was like, no, I'm going to support businesses on Etsy. Okay, positives. I keep saying that like I'm supposed to magically find any positives. Okay, I'm going to keep some to do some quilting with. All of the fleece backed stuff and all of the batting will be used to do quilts, because actually that's really expensive, so I'm happy with that. Quilts and some more coasters, like all my EPP stuff. I'm going to be using the this sort of fabrics to work on those projects, but everything else is going to be popped up on Vinted, because I've worked really hard to get rid of the fabrics that I wasn't using, and so I'm not about to restash just because I'm feeling guilty that I spent the money. Well, I'm sorry, this hasn't been a very fun video to watch. I'm trying to contain my irritation and contain my frustration that it's not like a super exciting video. I'm like trying to contain my rage that I wasted money. But hey, this is life, right? This is the point of the mystery bundle. So yeah, what would I rate it? 1 out of 10. Or 0 out of 5, because that's how much I'm feeling right now. Thanks for watching, everybody. Come along next week, see how much money I've made from reselling it all. Thanks a lot, bye!